Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, your portal to exquisite living experiences at this Punta Cana condo for sale. Centrally located in the bustling Bavaro region, this condo offers prime real estate within a secure and vibrant environment. Featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a spacious hall, dining area, well-appointed kitchen, and inviting balcony, this condo combines style with functionality for modern living. Enjoy secure access control and included appliances, along with access to community amenities like sports areas and water parks. Conveniently situated just a short drive from Punta Cana International Airport and downtown Bavaro, with renowned beaches nearby. Invest in this property for an attractive investment opportunity, offering not just a residence but a lifestyle. Reserve with just $1,000 and enjoy our payment plan. 10% after signing, 30% during construction, and 60% upon delivery. Don't miss out on making this condo your new home. Contact us today to schedule a viewing.